let's continue rural development. So in today's class we are going to go through with the organic farming. Yes, organic farming. Organic farming which connects with green leaf manures, crop rotation, biological management, animal husbandry, biofertilizers, manures, vermicompost. We are calling it as a organic farming. Organic farming. It is a system of farming that uses organic inputs, chemical fertilizers, pesticides and insecticides are not used. Biomanure and biological methods of pest control are used. So, organic farming is a form of agriculture that relies on techniques such as crop rotation, green manure, compost, biological pest control. This method avoids the use of synthetic chemical fertilizers and genetically modified organisms. Organic farming is a process of producing safe and healthy food without leaving any adverse impact on the environment. And organic agriculture is a whole system of farming that restores, maintains and enhances the ecological balance. There is an increasing demand for organically grown food to enhance food safety and throughout the world. Yes, now let's move on to the other one, benefits of organic farming. What are the benefits of organic farming? Economical, that is no costly inputs, export income, healthy food, employment, environment friendly. The first one, economical farming, that is economical. Yes, organic farming offer a means to substitute costlier agricultural inputs such as HYV seeds, chemical fertilizers, pesticides, etc. with locally produced cheaper organic inputs. The second one, export income, generates income through exports. It generates income through international exports as demand for organically grown crops is on a rise. The third one, healthy food, provide healthy food. It provides healthy food as organically grown food has more nutritional value than food grown through chemical farming. Next, employment, sources of employment. Organic farming generates more employment opportunity as it requires more labor input than conventional farming. And the last, environment friendly. Safety of environment. The produce of organic farming is pesticide free and it's produced in an environmentally sustainable way. So these are the benefits of organic farming. Economical, that is no costly inputs, export income, healthy food, employment, environment friendly. Challenges of organic farming. Challenges before organic farming, less popular, that is lack of policy, poor infrastructure and marketing, low yield, shorter shelf life of products, limited choice of products. The first one, less popular. Organic farming needs to be popularized by creating awareness and willingness on a part of farmer for adoption of new technology. And there is a serious needs for an appropriate agricultural policy to promote organic farming. The next, lack of infrastructure and marketing facility. Organic farming faces problems of inadequate infrastructure and marketing facilities. The third one, low yield. Organic farming has a lesser yield in initial years as compared to the modern agricultural farming. As a result, small and marginal farmers find difficult to adapt to large scale production. Fourth one, shorter shelf life of products. Organic produce has a shorter shelf life as compared to sprayed produce. And the last one, limited choice of products. The choice in production of off-season crops is quite limited in organic farming. So, in spite of all this limitation, organic farming helps in sustainable development of agriculture and India has a clear advantage in producing organic products for both domestic and international markets. So these are the benefits and challenges of organic farming. At the last, evaluation of rural development. The first one, stress on diversification, rural-urban linkage, better facilities, more emphasis on sustainable development. The first one, stress on diversification. There is a need to make rural area more vibrant through diversification into dairying, poultry, fisheries, vegetables and fruits. The next one, rural-urban linkages. Efforts should be made to link up the rural protection center with the urban and foreign exports markets to realize higher return on the investments for the products. The third one, better facilities. Proper effort should be made to develop infrastructure elements and credit and marketing. State agricultural departments, farmer-friendly agricultural policies, constant appraisal and dialogues between farmers groups. Now at the last, more emphasis on sustainable development. There is need to invest on procure alternate sets of eco-friendly technologicals that leads to sustainable development in different circumstances. So these are the last of evaluation of rural area. So in this we have discussed about what is meaning of organic farming, benefits of organic farming, challenge of organic farming, at the last evaluation of rural development. Thank you students.